Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel DIY craft videos. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. In this video today I will show you some latest and creative burlap wreath ideas. These are made from burlap fabric and some of other material are used in these burlap wreaths. So guys, don't go anywhere. Stay with me and watch my full idea. In this video you will see love wreath, Easter wreath and much more ideas. So guys, don't go anywhere. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the future daily latest updates. In this video you will see different types of wreaths. All wreaths are beautiful and very creative. So guys, in this video you will see welcome wreath, holly jolly Christmas wreath and much more ideas for you. If you like this video, then press the like button, or if you want to ask me any question about these wreaths, then please comment me in comment box. So guys, in this video you will see almost 30 plus ideas of burlap wreaths. I hope you will like these designs, these ideas. So stay with me, connect with me. I will show you more ideas about craft, dresses, jute rope craft and much more. So guys, please, I need your help, I need your support. Please help me to grow my channel. It's my new channel. I hope you will like my channel and please share my videos as much as you can. You can also share my videos at Facebook, Google+, Twitter, WhatsApp and etc. So guys, I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. So thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Always be happy. Keep smiling and keep supporting me. So guys, enjoy your day and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos. Please follow me on Instagram, Samila Kramat. So it's my Instagram ID, Samila Kramat. And if you want to see these tutorials, then please like my and follow my page, The Beauty House. It's my Facebook page. Please do not forget to like and follow. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Take care.